This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Disconnect the Pcv hose. Loosen the hose clamp and disconnect the electrical connector from the air filter housing cover. Unlock the front locking tabs and lift up the housing cover. Pull the cover outward to disengage the rear tabs. Remove the air filter element. If you're planning on removing the air filter housing, pry out the plastic retainer securing the front of the air inlet, then remove the fastener securing the housing. Pull up and remove the housing, noting the grommets in the studs that secure the bottom of the housing. Install the air filter housing back into place, aligning and securing the grommets at the bottom of the housing into their studs. Install the housing fastener and tighten it securely. Install the plastic retainer. Install the new air filter element, seating it properly. Install the filter housing cover by sliding the rear tabs in first, then securing the front locking tabs. Reconnect the intake tube, Pcv hose, and the electrical connector to the filter cover. Tighten the hose clamp securely.